The bell tower had stood silent for centuries, its iron tongue rusted and motionless, until tonight. At midnight, the bell tolled, its hollow ring echoing through the sleeping village. Windows shattered, dogs howled. I pressed my hands to my ears, but the sound seeped into my bones. Outside, neighbors staggered into the street, vacant-eyed, drawn by the relentless peal. One by one, they vanished mid-step, dissolved into the air like mist. I fled, but the tolling followed, growing louder inside my skull. Now, as I write this, the last echo fades. I realize I am already gone.